Hi you guys, welcome back to my channel. It's me, Sporo. Today I'm back with another video just showing you guys how I make my mask to get rid of my acne scars, hyperpigmentation, and just even out my skin tone and also brighten it. You really need two ingredients, just one medium-sized potato and half a lemon. And you just need the actual lemon juice from it. You'll see I'm going to just show you exactly how I make it. And just to leave a disclaimer, this is something that is working for me. Skin is something that is very sensitive, so if you're really having a big issue with hyperpigmentation, dark spots, acne scars, all of that, I would suggest you see a dermatologist. I thought, let me just try this out, and then it's working for me. It might not work for everyone, so yeah, I hope you enjoy the video and learn something from it. Here's what I'm gonna need: one medium-sized potato, juice from half of this lemon, a grater to grate the potato, and a peeler to peel the potato. I will be using this to just drain out just the juice from the mix after I've grated the potato and the lemon, and then I will store it in this container, which I will keep in the fridge for about 5 days. Alright you guys, so I've had my mask on for about 20 minutes now. I firstly washed my face before I put on the mask, and then applied the mask on a clean face. I waited the 20 minutes. You wait 20 to 30 minutes with the mask on, and then you can rinse it off with just lukewarm water. Don't put a face wash again, just rinse it off, and then you can just apply whatever you put on your face. Because I like doing this in the evenings, and I'm not going to go out anyway today, I'm going to be indoors, so I'm going to use an oil just to repair my face. So I'm just going to use an oil on my face, and that is it. Let me know if you've tried the mask, how it's working for you.
3 hours later.
Okay, so I have rinsed off the mask. My face is dry. Then I use this Portia. Since it's winter and my skin is quite dry, so at night I like to just use the mask and then apply the Portia M Marula Skin Oil. And yeah, I'm terrible when it comes to pouring a little bit, so just grab it on my face. I mean, you can use whatever you use on your face. If you put night cream, whatever you apply on your face, then you can do so. I would not encourage, I don't know, toners and stuff, but here's the thing about these things, you can just take tips here and there and then make it your own. So yeah. Thanks for watching. That is all, you guys. Mwah.